Hey, groovy guys and gals, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 1966 Morris Mini. This comes from Sharif in Union Bridge, Maryland, and Sharif has requested the modern internal conversion, which also includes the Bluetooth feature, and aux input, of course. So we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong AM station I get, and I'm going to leave it on talk radio while we go through the balance and fader adjustments, so that the music's not playing. I don't get hit for copyright stuff. So let's turn it on. Okay, we're on AM.
Alliance has you covered. Save on tools, cleaning products.
Okay, we're going to demonstrate the virtual front-rear fader. We give our tone control 2 turns clockwise.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now this same control, we're going to need our meters. Now this same control is adjusting your front-rear speaker balance. All the way front, rear, front, rear. Okay, I'm going to center them.
Go to NAC Wranglers.
Fader is set. Okay, left-right balance.
And join us at the pregame tailgate party just before the game.
Balance adjust.
Okay, so now all the way left, all the way right, left,
Hi,
right.
Easter Bunny here. And between you
Okay, I'm
and
going
me,
to center
I can't
those.
stand this holiday. Chocolate bunnies.
Balance
Balance
set.
is set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Skittles bags with M&M.
Bluetooth ready to
Okay,
pair.
so we know that's working. Let's go to FM, which, now one thing I'll say about this is previously you were stuck with these 2 buttons only being available for AM stations, and that's how you switch between AM FM, by switching either one of the AM buttons or any one of these FM buttons. That forced the radio into AM or FM mode. I have removed all that compulsory stuff, and now you can use all 6 buttons for either AM or FM stations. Now there's a trade-off on that, is now you can no longer go between AM and FM on the buttons. To go between AM and FM, you turn the unit off and then right back on within about half a second, like any other radio that doesn't have an AM FM switch. So let's try that. Okay, we're still on AM. Okay, now I do have all 6 presets set to FM stations in my area, so we'll be able to get through the FM test pretty quick. So, okay, we're on AM right now. Okay, so here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We'll just run through these buttons real quick.
Vivir la religiosidad popular. Es importante.
To have the money, I lose my.
What? Tanto en las funciones litúrgicas
Fishing was my
And there we go. Okay, so everything's working properly. She's ready to go back to the customer. When it doesn't have an A-track, it always feels like I'm leaving something out, or maybe even that I've got the day off. But no, it's just the radio, and there's not that much to test on the radio. So we're all good to go here. I'm ready to get on to the next video, and I'm Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service by visiting the website that's in the description below. And please download and print the work order before calling me with questions, because almost all your questions, if not all, will be answered on the work order as you're filling it out. That saves me 15 minutes on the phone with each new prospective customer, keeps me on the bench where I can put my top quality workmanship into your radio when it arrives. So, thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Sharif, and my friends at Vintage Restorations in Union Bridge, Maryland, for your business, and we'll see you guys next time.